Всем привет, с вами я, Дариска Ириска, и сегодня у нас будет влог о том, как я и моя старшая сестра и папа поехали на экскурсию на водопад Джум-Джум. Если вам интересно, продолжайте смотреть. И поехали!
I've been away too long from you, and I'm sorry, but I can't control just what you do. And I hope to God that you leave me soon, that you walk away from this burning bridge that you crossed too late, and you just forget that we ever met.
Влог снимаешь?
Да,
Мы на привале Кутузова.
да.
But before you forget, there's just something I have to say. I'm sick of your voice, sick of your face, sick of your choices.
Посмотри, там Грей. Не похоже на Грей. Я увижу, что... А потом посмотри в
Sick of your name, sick of your pleasure, sick of your pain, sick of your pressure, sick of your game. Seems to be about you. Exercise your criticism, then get mad when I'm through. Think your traumas don't affect a single person around you. I'm not your therapist or boyfriend, try and get the two confused. Best friends with your new boyfriend, and I'll tell him every truth. I don't care if you don't like it, I don't care if he tells you. Text me that you fucking hate me, well it's about time that you do. Get the fuck up in my life because I'm still in love with. I'm sick of your voice, sick of your face, sick of your choices, sick of your name, sick of your pleasure, sick of your pain, sick of your pressure, sick of your sick of your sight, sick of your shame, sick of your spite, sick of your shame, sick of your lies, sick of your lazy, sick of your cries, sick of your crazy.
Покажи, Даша, куда мы идем.
Вам раздадут меню.
Я сейчас тут будет лить водичку вкусную. Я думаю, телефон не надо. Папа с собой коробочку будет.
Сейчас ножки поднимаем, чтобы не замочить.
Ё-моё.
Вау.
Да.
I know that I'm not that important to you, but to me, girl, you're so much more than gorgeous, so much more than perfect. Right now, I know that I'm not really worth it if you give me.
Даша, вот под.
Time I could work on it. Give me some time while I work on it. Losing your patience, and girl, I don't blame you. The earth's in rotation, you waiting for me. Look at my face when I fuck on your waist, cause we only have one conversation a week. That's why your friends always hating on me. Fuck them, no, I did this all by myself. Matter of fact, I ain't never asked no one for help, and that's why I don't pick up my phone when it ring. None of my exes is over Lil P. Nobody flexing as much as I be. That's why she text me and tell me she love me. She know that someday I'll be over the sea, making my money and smoking my weed. I think it's funny, she opened up to me, get comfortable with me once I got it coming.
И вот, наступил конец видео. Если вам понравилось, поставьте лайк, подпишитесь. И что? Всем пока-пока!